Crimes. Hello everyone. Today topic is crime scene evidence collection and preservation. Net JRF preparation forensic science unit 1 paper 2 Net JRF PhD entrance exam presented by me. I am Dr. Anjani Kumar. Crime scene evidence collection and preservation. What is crime scene? What is crime scene evidence investigation? Crime scene investigation in the meeting point of evidence, logic of law. Processing the crime scene is a long, tedious process that involves powerful documentation of the condition at the scene and the collection of any physical evidence that could possibly illuminate what happened to point out did. क्राइम सीन इन्वेस्टिगेशन क्या है? क्राइम सीन इन्वेस्टिगेशन ये है जो कि किसी क्राइम सीन को इन्वेस्टिगेट करके प्रोसेस करके हम उस क्राइम के बारे में जान सकें. That help to conduct the crime and criminal relation and link between the crime. Of crime scene. What is cyber crime? Crime scene is a location where crime took place or another location where evidence of the crime may be found and comprises the area from which most of the physical evidential is retrieved by law enforcement, personal crime scene investigation (CSI), or in rare circumstances, forensic science. Crime scenes may or may not be where the crime was committed. What is evidence? What is evidence? Evidence, broadly considered, is anything presented in support of an assertion. This support may help be strong or weak. The strongest type of evidence is that which provide direct proof of the truth of an assertion. At the other extreme is evidence that is morally consistent with an assertion but does not rule out other condition, contradictory assertion, as in circumstantial evidence. Assertion means a confidence and a faithful statement of fact or belief. Crime scene is a location where a crime took place. Evidence broadly considered is anything presented in support of investigation of crime scene. When making an initial observation of a scene of crime, if so remember, the best search option is typically the most time consuming. You can never over document the physical evidence. The initial search is the one chance to perform the search correctly. Investigation of crime scene. Conducting the initial survey of a crime scene, ask yourself this question: is this scene safe for to enter? क्या यह क्राइम सीन सेफ है? हम इसमें एंट्री कर सकते हैं फॉर इन्वेस्टिगेशन. डज दिस सीन कंटेन ए पर्सन हु मे नीड मेडिकल असिस्टेंट? क्या वो बंदा मर चुका है या जो बंदा मर जिसको चोट लगी है या इंजूर्ड पर्सन है वो क्या हमें मेडिकल के लिए बचा है या फिर डेड हो चुका है? Do any hazards exist to emergency response? क्या एनी कुछ हमें मिल सकता है जो कि इस इमरजेंसी में रिस्पॉन्ड कर सके? इज द सर्च वारंट नीडेड? क्या इस क्राइम सीन के लिए सर्च वारंट हमें चाहिए? इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफ क्राइम सीन कंडक्टिंग द इनिशियल। जरूरी नहीं कि हर एक क्राइम सीन के लिए सर्च वारंट चाहिए ही होता है, बट हाँ, सम टाइम सम केसेस जैसे बमबारी या आगजनी के केसेस में होता है। कंडक्टिंग द इनिशियल सर्वे ऑफ दिस crime scene, precaution of the scene, approach the scene safely. First priority, be aware of disclaimer items that may be evidence, weapon hazards, materials. Always secure and protect entry to the scene. Atmospheric and dangerous person. Are you going to need assistance? नोटिफाई सुपरवाइजरी पर्सन। अगर कोई असिस्टेंस की आवश्यकता होती है तो हम लोगों को एक्स्ट्रा ड्यूरिंग क्राइम सीन इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए एक्स्ट्रा ऑफिसर को बुलाने की आवश्यकता पड़ती है। Once you have answered your initial concern, you will start to make plan how you will start to conduct the crime scene. The safely and physically well-being of officer and other in the around the crime scene are the initial responding officer. First priority, the responding officer should approach the scene in a manner designed to reduce risk to harm to officer while maximizing the safety of victim, witness and other to scene area. Survey the scene of dangerous person and control the situation. If in danger condition, then forensic expert going to the crime scene with various task force and most of the police officer taking more forces to entry of the crime scene. Notify supervisory person and call for assistance or backup. If in crime scene, some crime scene has fighting scene, if forensic investigator going here and some person to did not going getting the giving the entry or getting the entry, then they need to back up to forensic expert due to some issues. Investigation of crime scene, conducting the crime scene search, prepare a narrative description, make notes for your written report later, what you are observing, contacts people, interview, arrested, evidence found and recovered, taggle, timeline and location, fact photographed all items listed on a property page, make sure you have the correct equipment and supplies in process of crime scene. Start with the play you have made the conduct the search. Documentation of a crime scene is extremely important. Do not touch, moreover, or alter any evidence item until you document the scene. हम लोग क्राइम सीन पर कब तक रुके रह सकते हैं? जब तक हमारी क्राइम सीन की फोटोग्राफी पूरी डॉक्यूमेंट्री से चेन ऑफ कस्टडी मेंटेन न हो जाए, तब तक हम लोग क्राइम सीन पर रुके रहते हैं। फोटोग्राफिंग ऑफ क्राइम सीन photograph allow to visual permanent record of crime scene and item of evidence collected. This image showing the photograph. This is a virtual image showing from photograph of crime scene. Photographs should be taken as soon as possible to depict the scene as it is observed before anything is handled, moved or initiated into the scene. The photograph allows a visual permanent record of the crime scene and items of evidence collected from crime scene. Photographing crime scene. Taking crime scene photograph. Photographs should be taken as soon as possible. Three possible of position of view: overall scene, mid-range photograph, close range. Photographs should be taken as soon as possible to depict the scene as it is observed before anything is handled, moved or initiated into the scene. The photography allows a visual permanent record of the crime scene and item of evidence collected from the crime scene. There are three positions or views that the crime scene investigator needs to achieve with the photograph. The view consists of overall scene photograph showing the most view possible of the scene, mid-range photograph showing the relationship of item, and close-up of them of evidence. A close-up should be taken of item that has serial number tags and VIN. Photographing crime scene. A second photograph aiding devising measuring of device should be taken from item where the photo will assist in the analytical process. Photographs start to finish. Photograph entire area before it is entered. Photograph victim, crowd and vehicle. Photograph entire scene of overall, medium and close range cover using measurement scale when appropriate. Sometimes we take photographs from ड्रोन फोटोग्राफी. ड्रोन फोटोग्राफी से भी हम फोटोग्राफ लेते हैं अगर हमें रिक्वायरमेंट वाइड एरिया कैप्चरिंग एंगल की जरूरत हो, जैसे कि कोई कोई सीन में, क्राइम सीन में हमें वाइड एरिया कैप्चर करना होता है, तो हम क्या करते हैं कि ड्रोन का इस्तेमाल करके, जैसे बस ट्रेन हादसे हो गए, उस सीन का, ट्रेन या बस हादसे हो गए, उस टाइप के सीन का हम लोग ओवरऑल रेंज का फोटोग्राफ लेते हैं ड्रोन कैमरे से, या फिर बॉम्बिंग सीन हो गया. फोटोग्राफिंग क्राइम सीन. Photograph start to finish. Photograph major evidence item before they are moved. Photograph all latent fingerprint and other impression evidence before lifting or casting are accomplished. Prepare photographic log and photographic sketch. अब क्राइम सीन फोटोग्राफ हमने ले लिया, तो उसके बाद हमें क्या जरूरत पड़ती है कि डिफरेंट एंगल से फोटोग्राफ हमने ले लिया, उसके बाद मेजरिंग स्केल की जरूरत पड़ती है, क्योंकि वो इवेंट्स कहाँ पर है और कितना बड़ा है, या साइज उसकी फिक्स, साइज और पोजीशन फिक्स करने के लिए. पोजीशन फिक्स करने के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग जनरली ये करते हैं कि कंपास का यूज किया जाता है. नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन फिक्सिंग व्हिच इज फिक्सिंग द नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन. Crime scene diagram. This is the rough sketch of crime scene. Example of crime scene of a rough sketch, which have door to bedroom going, door to kitchen going, door to other area, exit, door to playground, and other things. Door to master bedroom. This is in compass, which denoted north direction, north, south, east, west, but generally we also call north direction. This table shows the scale. 1 inch is equal to 1 inch is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter approx. Prepare a diagram sketch of the scene. Diagram established permanent record of the item, condition, distance, size relationship. Diagram supplement photograph and video. A rough sketch is drawn at the scene and changes are not made once you have left the scene. A sketch should contain sufficient measurement, location of evidence item, and detail to be used as a model for draw the scale diagram. Take accurate, consistent measurement and triangulation for exact distance. Follow all development procedure for complementing a sketch. What is field note? Field note refers to a note created by the note taking during the investigation of field work to remember and record the behavior, activity, events, and other feature of an observation. Why takes note? Note हमें क्यों लेनी होती है? Field notes are intended to be used as a basic of produce meaning and understanding of the event of or crime scene. क्योंकि उसमें कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स रह गए जो कि मेंशन ना हो तो हम लोग नोट्स ले लेते हैं बिकॉज दैट इज हेल्प टू क्राइम सीन स्केच व्हाट शुड बी writing down. The notes may be an observation statement or any other information to assist the preparation of report. What are some of the department policies for notes? Notes need to be curated and organized for preparing an official report following department policy on note taking and destruction of notes. Purpose of crime scene investigation to help establish what happened, to identify the responsible person. The purpose of crime scene investigation is to help establish what happened, crime scene construction, and to identify the responsible person. This is done by carefully documenting the condition at the crime scene and recognizing all relevant physical evidence. The ability to recognize and properly collect physical evidence is oftentimes critical to both solving and prosecuting violent crime. It is no exaggeration to say that in the majority of cases, the law enforcement officer who protects and searches a crime scene play a critical role in determining whether physical evidence will be used in solving or prosecuting violent crime, types of crime scene searches. Method: carefully documenting of condition at the scene, recognizing all relevant search method. फर्स्ट इज द स्पाइरल सर्च मेथड. इसमें हम राउंड राउंड शेप में घूमते जाते हैं और क्राइम सीन सर्च करते जाते हैं. सेकंड, स्ट्रिप और लाइन सर्च. दिस फिगर शोइंग द स्ट्रिप और लाइन सर्च. क्वाड्रेंट और जोन सर्च. We make four zone for big crime scene. If more zone is needed, then we create more zone. Grid line method. For big crime scene, we used more grid line. Strip search. First strip search, lower left picture. This is the strip search, commonly used when searching a large area looking for a large object. This searching method not comes with low area. छोटे इलाके में हम लोग ये सर्च मेथड्स का यूज नहीं कर सकते. Several explorers will stand in one long line and all walk in the same direction. Stakes and string can also be used to create lines for which each explorer would be responsible. Grid search. Second, grid method. This is the grid method. This is the most thoughtful search technique, similar to a strip search but also done in opposite direction, elevation or zone search. This type of search is used with indoor crime scene where evidence may be on the wall or the ceiling. Example: bullet hole, bullet, blood spatter, etc. Zone search. Quadrant or zone search. This figure shows the zone search. The team leader should observe and supervise the search while other team members perform the search. With a zone search, items are unlikely to be missed. A spiral search method. That is commonly used when looking for an object that is suspected to be a specific distance from one another. For example, shell casing from a gun or a object thrown by hand from a specific location but thrown in an unknown direction. A stake in the center with a string attached with assure proper distance and avoid overlapping already searched area or missing area is not yet searched. Precaution of the crime scene. A deliberate methodological disciplined approach to collection and preservation of evidence is essential. One exception, evidence integrity as risk. Example already I will say. This is the bombing case picture. This is the bombing case picture. This is the this picture shows the seaside, समुद्री इलाका. This crime scene shows crime scene evidence. Items of physical crime scene evidence are not always visible to naked eye and may be easily overlooked. A deliberate methodical disciplined approach to collection and preservation of evidence is essential. One exception may be if crime scene evidence integrity as it is at risk, and under those circumstances, it is important that rapid direction be made to prevent its degradation and or loss. प्रिकॉशन एट द क्राइम सीन, क्या क्या प्रिकॉशन हमें क्राइम सीन पर, टाइप ऑफ इक्विपमेंट यूज, जो हम लोग इक्विपमेंट यूज करते हैं उसका, जैसे ग्लव्स, आंख पर आई ग्लास, बॉडी में फोरेंस, दिस केस is used, hair cover, shoe cover is used to investigate the crime scene, proper mask which cover nose or mouth, eye protection, latex or nitrate gloves, sleeves protectors, shoe cover, hair net, evidence collection and removal. Types of evidence include fingerprints, footwear impression. This is image show the fingerprint. This is luminol, which is used to identify the fingerprint on the tank, sink, wash basin. Footwear impression, hair, fiber, biological fluids, biological material for DNA analysis, anything used to commit the crime. The crime scene investigators should prior- prioritize the order in which evidence is collected. Biological evidences, trace material and evidence of a fragile nature should be collected first. Evidence collection used to gather a package. This crime scene evidence vary. A use of an alternate light source, ALS, or oblique lighting may be necessary. A simple dedicated all with the else should be properly packaged with a notation altering the analysis that it is a luminescent sample. Preservation of evidence from the crime scene. All evidence must be invented and secured to preserve its integrity. Preserve evidence, cell phone, computer crime evidence, secure the device containing electronic device, cell phone, computer, media player such as iPod, purchased MP3 player from a store approved, correction staff, seizing electronic device should handle evidence as little as possible and under no circumstance should staff turn these devices on or attempt to extract information from them. Proper evidence chain of custody, proper evidence package including appropriate packing and labeling of the all item. Each item properly sealed, marked, correct and consistent information, recording on labels and procedural document. An understanding of the rules governing chain of custody is vital for an investigator. For example, in a sexual assault incident, the victim is typically transported to another location to have a sexual assault examination performed. May justification have established team to perform these examinations, and they go by several names such as sexual assault victim examination SAV, sexual assault nurse examiner SANE, sexual assault responding team SART. The examination involved the collection of the victim clothing, hair sample, swabs of body fluids, and collection of bruising and bite marks. The material collected are packaged by the team. This is the evidence form which is used to sealing the document with the maintaining of chain of custody, which officer involving the crime scene to see the crime scene, taking photography, person name, date of the crime scene, evidence number also mentioned. Case number is also mentioned. If third party, this is the governmental chain of custody evidence. This is later, and this is third person laboratory, private laboratory homes. Chain of custody makes sure your information is accurate. Information must be consistent on all paperwork, who, what, when, where, etc. Do not use generic terms when describing contraband. Example sink, etc. I be as specific as possible to describe item. Do not make assumption reports. Chain of custody being where the item is collected. Any item contraband is turned over from one person to another. The person receiving it shall sign for it before taking possession. This figure show biohazards caution. Forensic experts can be take care using the going nearby. Biological fluids and stains, proper handling is essential. Use disposable gloves. Any item confiscated that has blood, semen, saliva, urine should be handled with extreme care. Most items should be packed in the paper bag and all should be marked biohazards. Crime scene evidence. Since blood and other body fluids evidence is biological and is rapidly decomposed by bacteria and mold, it is absolutely essential that such evidence is handled properly. Remember safely measurements for biological hazards. Also wear disposable gloves when handling material stained with blood or other body fluids. Check with your agency safety protocol for the biological hazard. All items should be sealed and labeled for identification For your department policy, evidence collection materials such as envelope, bag, etc. will dictate how you package fluids and stains. Chain of custody, biological fluids and stains, एग्जाम्पल रेप केसेज में मिलते हैं. इन द क्राइम सीन एविडेंस, evidence normally collected in rape case or randomly cases include a variety of samples which are relatively consistent from case to case. In the case of violent crimes such as sexual assault, attention may be directed to the clothing and the person of the victim and the suspect. An investigator might find body fluids, stain on clothing, fingerprint, fiber, hair, and other traces material in the area where the attack took place. Potential crime scene evidence such as saliva, bite marks, semen, hair, skin tissue, under the fingernails, other trace material found on the victim, transferred evidence such as cosmetic, vaginal fluid, hair from victim. The blood may also be found on the suspect. Once potential evidence is located and documented, the next steps to collect and package the item in a manner that prevents contamination, loss, and deleterious biological fluids and stains on garments of fabric. Well-stained fabric must air dry. Wet stained fabric must air dry. Package multiple items separately. Do not use plastic bag because biological fluids is destroyed on biological fluids is some sorry wet stained fabrics from air dry because प्लास्टिक है प्लास्टिक में इंसेक्ट्स अटैक कर देते हैं या फिर वो फंगस अटैक हो जाता है, जिसके चलते हम लोग प्लास्टिक बैग नहीं यूज करते टू स्टोर द एविडेंस. Chain of study, biological fluids and stand on garments or fiber. Avoid unnecessary handling of garments with blood or seminal stains. Initial and dead in an area away from the stains. Label and seal all items. Avoid unnecessary handling of garments with blood or seminal stains. Each item should be initiated and detected in area away from stains. All items should be sealed and labeled for identification. For, for your department policy, evidence collection materials such as envelope bags etc. will dictate how you package and long hair and chain of custody. Item to be checked or blood should be tested for prints where possible. Submit the blood stained item for itself for analysis. Blood stain item itself for analysis. If this is a impractical, detach or cut out the part with the stain for submission. Carefully package to avoid contamination or loss. Do not put any tape directly to a stain. Next of evidence. For packaging of biological evidence, blood stain can be a swabbed off item which cannot be submitted, swab the blood into on a cotton typed applicator that has been slightly dampened when distilled water in a manner which concentrates the sample. Swab and some biological swabs and unstained area of the same surface in the same manner for a control. Air dry and package the stained control swabs separately in paper. हम जनरली बायोलॉजिकल स्वैब्स के लिए हम लोग गॉज पट्टी बनाते हैं, उसमें स्वैब्स लेते हैं. अगर स्टेन्स जैसे कि ब्लड जो कि फर्श पर गिरा हुआ है, ब्लड पूलिंग ऑफ ब्लड गिरा हुआ है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, डिस्टिल वाटर H2O2 हाइड्रोजन peroxide यूज करेंगे, which does not react with blood. Her density is not going to react with blood spots and easily to collected. Next, collection of evidence concerned stains on wall, floor जो दीवार पर है और सतह पे है. Item cannot be cut out and submitted, can be squared off चाकू से खरोच लिया into the piece of paper which is they carefully folded into the place in a pill box or other suitable container. This container and the paper should be initiated and dated of otherwise another chain another collection of evidence. If the stain is moist, blood stain या body fluids moist है, then it dry, air dry first and swab it into a cotton taped applicator and air gauze पट्टी बना करके collect कर. Collection of firearms, always unload the firearm before submitting it for evidence. Hair and fiber, collection of hair and fiber evidence are generally a small. Detecting hair, search alternate light source, visual magnification search. हम हेयर कलेक्शन करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, मैग्निफिकेशन लेंस से हम मैग्नीफाई करके हेयर को डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ हेयर, एग्जांपल pubic hair and more body hairs will to find to investigate the scene and picking, scraping, combining and vacuuming. Here is a common types of evidence found in variety of different type of criminal cases. Since here evidence is generally small in nature, care should be taken to protect evidence from loss of contamination. Several methods could be used in detecting of hair evidence: visual search, and जनरल आंख से देखेंगे, अल्टरनेटिव लाइट सोर्स अगर अवेलेबल है कुछ लाइट सोर्स, फिर नहीं तो हम टॉर्च से देखेंगे. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टॉर्च यूज करके क्राइम सीन पर हम हेयर को खोजेंगे. एंड सर्चेज विथ एडिशनल मैग्निफिकेशन, सम मैग्निफिकेशन हैंड ग्लास यूज करके सर्च करेंगे. For hair evidence, this could include packing, scraping, combing और vacuuming. पैक करेंगे वैक्यूम करके उसको पैक करेंगे. Collection of, if the location of virgin hair is important, they should be collected and packaged separately. If कोई पर्सन फोरिजिन पर्सन का क्राइम सीन पर से हेयर मिलता है तो उसका अलग कलेक्ट करेंगे. रैप क्लोथिंग और एविडेंस आइटम सेपरेटली, उसको अलग अलग पैकेट में हम लोग अलग अलग सील करेंगे. इफ द लोकेशन ऑफ origin here is important, they should be collected and packaged separately. Wrap all items should be sealed and labeled for identification with IO signature. Investigating officer or forensic expert, both signature is required in the evidence. Tool marks and tools. Impression, cut, gouge, and or absorption caused by tool coming into contact with another object may be photographed. If easy removed, it may be taken as evidence. Hard to accurately reproduce the tool marks for future. Tool marks analysis. A tool marks is any impression, cut, gouge, or abrasion caused by a tool coming into contact with another object. Throughout the years, many different materials have been. Throughout the years, many different materials have been utilized both in field and in the laboratory setting to try to accurately replicate the class and or individual deals inherent in a particular tool. Marks or tool marks may be marks may be photographed, or if the item that is the marks is one on can be removed easily, it can may be taken as evidence. Department policy is used when taking large item. Crime scene investigators are intimately aware of the problem associated with attempts to accurately record tool marks at crime scene, both photographically and otherwise. The location of the tool marks, the surface containing the tool marks, and the characteristics of the tool creating the marks can be affect the investigator ability to accurately reproduce the tool mark for future comparison. Finishing all the processing, final survey for the review for all aspects of the search, discuss the he search with all personnel, photograph the scene showing the final condition, ensure all evidence is secured, ensure all equipment is retrieved, ensure hiding place or difficult access area have not been overlooked. Release the crime scene after the final survey. Crime scene release documentation should include the time and date of release, to whom released and by whom released. Ensure that the evidence is collected according to legal requirement. Documented policy is marked for identification. Consider the need for a specialist such as a body pattern analyst or a medical examiner to observe the scene before it is released. Once the scene has been released, recently may require a warrant. This scene should be released only when all personnel are satisfied that the scene was searched correctly and completely. Only the person, only the only the person in charge should release the scene. Chain of the custody requirement: three types of testimony. Testimony that a piece of evidence is what is supposed to be testimony of continuous possession by each individual. Testimony by each person who had precision in that the particular piece of evidence in substantially the same condition from possession of one person to another. Proof of chain of custody is required when the evidence that is sought to be introduced at trial not unique. Unique, or where the relevance of the evidence depend on its analysis after secure. A proper chain of custody required three types of testimony. Testimony that a piece of evidence is that what is purports to be, for example, a little giant's blood sample. Testimony of continuous possession of each individual who had possession of the evidence from the time it is seized until the time it is presented in court. Testimony by each person who has had possession that the particular piece of evidence remained in substantially the same condition from the moment one person took possession until the moment that person released the evidence into the custody of another. For example, testimony that the evidence was stored in a secure location there no one but the person in custody has access it to. Proving chain of custody is necessary to lay a foundation. For the evidence in question by showing the condition, especially foundation testimony or tangible evidence required that exhibits be identified as being in substantially the same condition as they were at the time the evidence was seized, and that the exhibit has remained in that condition throughout an. unbroken chain of custody. For example, suppose that is a prosecution for possession of illegal narcotics policy segregate a recovered drugs from a different defendant. A give police officer B the drugs. B the given then gives the drugs to police scientist C who conduct the analysis of drugs. C gives the drug to police detective D who bring the drugs to court. The testimony of ABCD constitute a chain of custody for the drugs and the prosecution would need to after testimony by each person in the chain or to establish both condition and identification of the evidence unless the different is stipulated as the chain of the custody in order to save time. Chain of custody need not be demonstrated for every piece of tangible evidence that is accepted on the trial court's record. Physical evidence that is readily identifiable by the witness might not need to be supported by chain of custody of proof. For example, no chain of custody foundation is required for items that are imprinted with a serial number or inscribed with initial by an officer who collected the evidence. Similarly, items that are inherently distinctive or memorable, for example, a hold up note written in purple crayon, might be sufficiently unique and identifiable that they establish the integrity of the evidence. Packaging. All packages should contain following information. Description of items. Use generic terms, not gel, ligno-like scent. Where is found. Person name and number if applicable. Date and time found. Name of a staffing seeking them. Name of investigating officer that is investigated that of evidence. Paperwork attached to packaging is not enough. Extra document will be needed. Thanks for all today. For I hope found this explanation helpful. Do not forget like, share, subscribe to our channel for more educational content. If you may have any question and suggestion, please leave them in the comment below. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Subscribe for more quiz and forensic science content. Thank you. If you want for collaboration contribution as a lecture suggestion, then contact us our email ID and our website.